Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take one class for mathematics and this lecture will help you for the preparation of NERIST 1, DEET and JELET Diploma and Engineering Entrance Exam. Okay, and also as well as for NDA. Okay, clear? Now our first question is, if alpha beta be the zeros of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 5x plus 1, then the value of alpha plus alpha beta is what? We have to find out. 4 option is given. The chapter is polynomials. Okay, quadratic equation, polynomial, that is quadratic equation. Okay, so let's try. So what is the equation here? There is 2x square plus 5x plus 1. Okay, we know that the general formula of equation is what? Quadratic equation. There is an equation x square plus bx plus c, is not it? So here a is 2, b is 5 and c is 1. Now since alpha beta are the roots of the equation, so sum of the roots is, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus 5 by 2. Okay, that is minus 5 by 2. Next alpha into beta is what? C by a, that is 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the value of alpha plus beta is what? So that is alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus it is nothing but minus 5 by 2 and alpha beta is what? 1 by 2. So if you do LCM here, it will be minus 5 plus 1, is not it? So minus 4 by 2. The answer will be minus 2. So which option is correct here? Option A is the correct answer. Okay, so option A is the correct answer, minus 2. So got my point? Okay, it's so simple. So let's do another questions from the topic. So students, our next question is like that: if 1 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 5x plus 13x plus k is reciprocal of the other, that is alpha is, if alpha is x, then beta will be 1 by x. Okay, now the value of k is what? We have to find out. So what is the equation? The equation is given 5x square plus 13x plus k. Okay, now here a is 5, b is 13 and c is k, is not it? Okay, so that is, let alpha is equal to x, therefore beta equal to 1 by x. So sum of the roots, that is x plus beta, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 13 by 5. Okay, that is x plus 1 by x. And come here, alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is x into 1 by x is equal to c is what? K, and a is 5. Okay, this one is cancelled, so k equal to 5. If you take this one, you will get easily can find out the value of k is what? 5. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so let me explain again. The equation is 5x square plus 13x plus k. So here a is 5, b is 13 and c is k. I take x, one roots alpha is x and other roots beta will be what? Reciprocal of x, that is 1 by x. If I take alpha plus beta, it will be minus b by a, that is x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 13 by 5. From that we cannot find out easily. Here product of the roots is alpha into beta equal to c by a. So alpha is x, beta is 1 by x, k by c is k and a is 5. So k equal to 5. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so question. So students, our next question is like that. There is question number 3 is like that. if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial px is equal to 4x square plus 3x plus 7, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to what? We have to find out from the 4 options. So equation is given 4x square plus 3x plus 7, right? So here a will be 4, b will be 3 and c will be 7. Now sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, it will be minus 3 by 4, okay, and alpha into beta equal to c by a, so it will be what? 7 by 4. Now what is the value? The value of that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. We have to find out the value of this expression, okay. So if I am LCM this one, it will be alpha into beta, here will be alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what, sir? Minus 3 by 4, and alpha into beta is what? 7 by 4. So 4 will be cancelled out, so minus 3 by 7. So minus 3 by 7, there is option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer, okay. This type of question will came in NERIST, DEET, Expo, that is Diploma Engineering Entrance Examination or NDA, okay. So move on the next question, okay, move on the next question. So our next question, that is question number 4, is what? It's like that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx is equal to x square plus bx plus q, then a polynomial having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta as its zeros is what? We have to find out, okay. So here what is given? There is the equation is given x square plus px q. So here a is, therefore a is 1, coefficient of x square is what? 1, coefficient of x is what? P, and constant term is q. Now we have to find out a polynomial whose roots or zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So therefore the sum of the roots is what? Sum of the roots or zeros is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, right? So if you do LCM here, it will be alpha plus beta by alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is what? From that we can find alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, is not it? So minus p by 1, that is minus p, and alpha into beta is what? C by a, that is q by 1, that is only q. Now alpha plus beta is what? Minus p, and alpha into beta is plus q, okay. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is what? Minus p, I put here, and alpha into beta is minus plus q, I put here, okay. So now we have to find out the product of the roots, okay. Roots or zeros, you can say zeros or roots, both are equal. It will be 1 by alpha into 1 by beta, that is 1 by alpha beta, and the roots will be 1 by q. Now the equation, now come here, the equation for polynomial will be what? Is, we know that x square, then sum of the roots. What sum of the roots? Sum of roots, okay, into x plus product of roots. Product of roots, is not it? This one is the formula. So now, or equal to 0 you can say. So x square minus sum of the roots is what? Minus p by q, and part of the roots is what? 1 by q is equal to 0. Now if you do LCM here, it will be qx square plus px plus 1 is equal to 0. So qx square plus px plus 1 is equal to 0. So which will be the correct answer? Qx square plus px plus 1 equal to 0, or this one? This one will be the correct answer, that is option number D is the correct. So got my point? So here I am doing 4 questions for different methods, okay, from quadratic equation. I hope this lecture will help you for the preparation of diploma engineering entrance like NEET, NERIST, DEET, JEXPO and NDA exam, okay. So thank you for watching.